Alright, flat tire just happened. This beautiful location, and hopefully I can fix it. Finally find a hole. It's actually right there. I can hear it, I can feel the pressure on my finger. So I'll make a mark here. I'll go all the way down here so I can have actual access. Yeah, make sure. I clean the hole with a tool. Now it's blowing again. That's the thing to put it in. With this tool, I don't know. Luckily I have two of those. So this one is the right that I've done before. This one is stupid. Don't ever buy this one. It just doesn't work. Okay, so that's the right tool what I want. Here's the hole. I just have to push it through now. There we go. That's what you want. Push it through. Cut the rest of it with a knife. You know what? I think I'm happy with this. It's not the fastest compressor, but after 1 minute you see the tire is lifted. Anyhow, sunrise happening right now. So we got sunrise here, we're still pumping. Yeah, once again, don't ever buy this. This just doesn't work. Same as this is not file. I have the old one I realized from my motorcycle, and that one should work great. This is actually file that will help you to clean the hole. You gotta have those plugs as well, which I have always plenty. It's not the first flat tire, and it's not the last one probably. Alright, 5 minutes pumping. I got like almost 30. But I think that's good enough for now. Tire is pretty cold. Seems like it's all the pressure. I'll try to move.